a 128? That's the wrong one.
World tour, worldwide.
Boys. They put an E85 pump 10 minutes from our house. I'm going on the E85. I have blown turbo seals. Me and Frank are going to MPact, so if you're going there, let me know in the comments. We're pulling up in my car. I'm actually bringing it. It's a 5-hour drive. I don't know if it's going to make it, but we're going to try to make it. This thing's a piece of shit. Shopwipes.com. I'm a little nervous, I'm not going to lie. We're going on an E32 because I just filled up the other day. So we're not doing E50, but I'll go E50 in another video, I promise. I pinky swear. E85 in my bitch. Yeah, I can't lie, I don't snitch. Yeah.
Man, this is history. We've been talking about E85 for a minute.
Yeah, now we're out here fucking. Hold on, give me. Come on, guys, come with me. They even have snacks.
Bro, what?
Man, look, they even got doobies. If you buy beef jerky and you go onto a plane, somebody did that to me on the way back from California. I thought they shit their pants. This is the first time I've ever done this in my life. All right, just. This is a brand new gas station. My car's gonna blow up, but. I just got E85, already got bitches on Tinder, sending me eye emojis. Larissa, what we saying? Bruh, I just got E85. Larissa's never talking to me again. I'm getting unmatched immediately.
Push P.
Alright boys, I'm absolutely terrified. First time on E85, start up. Does he know I'm on corn? He ain't know I got corn on the cob right now, so like, I don't know how much more power this gives me. I'm on the V10 E30 tune. I'm just going ball. I wouldn't want E50, but I had too much gas. Too much gas, you know, that's a common problem. I got corn on the cob for sale. You want corn? You know, I should have said I got that porn on me with a cob.
That felt pretty quick.
It felt pretty quick. I don't think I'm gonna see a dramatic difference with the E30. Back in Maryland, baby. I will say it feels like it's like running better because normally it's
it's like choppy and like wrong.
normally it's choppy, but it's running pretty good. I don't know if that really makes a difference. Difference. It does feel like it's like running better, like oddly enough.
I would definitely agree to that.
Ma'am, I'm selling corn on the cob for cheap. Ma'am, madam, madam, madam. Oh. Dude, that was the hardest move yet. That one I noticed a difference.
That was pretty fucking long.
It feels like it's running better. I don't know if I'm tripping balls or like I'm licking balls, but I don't know what's going on.
Turbo seals just reattach themselves.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, as soon as we said that.
As soon as we said that, smoke came by. Yo!
Dude, for some reason that really triggers me.
Oh yeah, when you do that shit, it pisses people off and it's hilarious. Is this a 135? 128. I ain't gonna lie, brought the wrong car. Is that a 128? That's the wrong one. Oh yeah? You wanna go? Oh, come on now. Come on now. I'll let you go. I'll let you go.
The doors off that bitch!
Fuck that thing! And her Cheez-Its. She was high as fuck, you can tell. She was like... We somehow made it home. I ain't gonna lie to you, I didn't think it was gonna happen. Here she is. There's so many things I need to fix before I go to MPact. This is all sorts of fucked. Bad spoiler, no tips, terrible bumper, and my paint looks like ass. So next video, I'm probably gonna show you guys a bunch of random car shit that I have to do before I go to this meet. But right now, we're fixing Frankie's shit ass 335. This has got a boost leak, and that's no bueno. Frank's been driving a 328i.
Boost leak, misfire.
I'm trying to hold this camera steady. You fucking kidding me?
Didn't know there was shit in there. There was shit in there, repercussions.
There was shit in there, bub.
Ants.
Oh, damn Ant-Man. You're gonna be Ant-Man when you lick that up and put it back in the bottle. You won't. You won't. You won't. Lick the floor.
100K subs and I'll lick the floor.
No, come on, do it.
I don't
Lick the floor. Lick the floor.
Do you see this?
Lick the floor.
Dude, how am I gonna pull one of these shorties with 100K subscribers if I look like this? And I'm licking floors.
Bro, lick the floor.
I'm not licking the floor!
I'll lick the floor.
Alright. Okay, that is absurd, bro. Why am I friends with you? Like, honestly, if you didn't have the subscribers, I wouldn't even fucking like you.
Blood calling on the phone for Frank. We need to change the spark plugs because he's a piece of shit.
Shorty chirping. She said there's no spark no more.
This car is misfire because it's a dog shit of a car.
Bro, it'll fucking gap your fucking corn stalk ass. Well, look at that dick.
Look at it. Yeah. It's gappy, buddy. Anyways, we're gonna put new spark plugs in, so ready for this transition? Alright, I have to ask right there. Frank, tell him what we do.
Fix the boost leak, change out the spark plugs, fix the misfire. And
all new step 2 coulter plugs, and there was a clamp on the intercooler that we think was where the leak was coming from because it was pretty loose. Alright, we're gonna take Frank's car on a test drive. You motherfucker. Alright, so we're praying this misfire and boost leak is fixed.
here's what we find out. We back!
Motherfucker weaving, boy!
I just got a huge ticket in North Carolina for going 20 over, so I got a lawyer up. I got lawyer fees, shop Webbies, baby.
We speeded for you. Oh
Right.
shit, that famous meme going around, Maximals and BMW drivers are wildin'.
Show them the breaking news.
Misfire not
Oh my
fixed.
God.
Oh my god, Maximal gone. Bring it back! Yeah! Oh! Frank!
Who was driving a Ford Fusion like this?
Ford Fusion gap Frank! W in the chat. Respect to the old man for hitting a $120 in a Fusion and gapping Frank.
Bro, I got lawyer fees!
We at Lowe's. Just a couple of dads at Lowe's.
Got the camera into Lowe's?
Bring the camera into Lowe's.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got girlfriends in Lowe's.
He does. You'll see.
She's like a solid 8. Where's she at? 7? A 5? A 5 is crazy, Frank.
Okay, so. Thank you.
At L to Lowe's girlfriends that weren't in there.
Oh,
Found
the
stud.
Lowe's. $50 stud fund. Man, who's trying to let me stud their wife? You know
That's
what?
fucked
Actually,
up.
I'm
That's
gonna-
fucked
no,
up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in trouble. How about you say it? That'd be funny.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna say it. Alright. Does anyone on the channel want to let Frank stub his wife?
Bro, that's fucked up.
Alright, we're leaving Lowe's.
I got raped.
Whoa.
That's questionable.
Can't say that. That was bleeped. Fusion. You got by a Fusion.
Dude, can you not?
Ain't nothing new. Clear the code, hit the road,
You know what's crazy?
fucking toad. Don't do that last part, please.
On war dig.
Alright, so we put it on the side of the road. We're gonna swap out coil pack 2 and 3. We're gonna see if the misfire follows. Shopwebbies.com. Alright, we swapped them. Let's see. We hope it follows, honestly, because I really hope it's not an injector. Alright, we're back at the house. Somehow, ever since we swapped the plug, misfire is just not happening. So, Dubs in the chat.
I feel like fucking something.
There's the smallest of things, like I said earlier in this video, that I would like to get done to the car before MPact. So we're on the way right now to go get a quote for paint correction because I have some really bad spots, like up here on the roof and shit. Yeah, this boy's got the setup. Pretty much the main spots I'm worried about is just around the windows.
My best recommendation would be for this is to hit it with a clay bar after a standard wash, maybe a light wet sand. You're talking about a lot of extra work for a little bit of repair.
There's a big BMW meet. We're taking this to MPA next weekend and see if there was any sort of fix to make it look good for that.
So that was your main concern, is being at the meet then?
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, technically, I don't have any availability until next Monday. Nice hood though. I like the car, man.
Yeah, thank you.
You want me to go down to the end?
I'll figure it out. We'll be alright. Appreciate it though. This driveway is a little fucked.
Oh, there it is.
How we looking over there, man? Am I in the grass?
Tiny bit, yeah. Hopped right about there, no problem.
Yeah, that was easy. What are you talking about? First try? Like, I make this shit look easy. Boy. It's literally been storming in Maryland for the past week. Ever since I got back from California, it's been storming. It's great. Bro, Frank said this was a full banana. I was gonna eat it. Bro, what? Franklin! Come on now. Buddy turns 21 tomorrow and just can't act right anymore. All right, boys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe or else you'll get no bitches. And make sure to shop at shopwebbies.com and your car won't blow up tomorrow if you buy something from there. Anyways, that being said, pull up to MPact next weekend. I'm gonna go rip this bitch in the rain and that's gonna be it.
This is the only way his beam can break traction because it's slow. Mine's not, his is. Holy fuck.
Scraps, come on.
Oh my
come
god, dude, you got grass all over the side.
on. We gotta top the oil off though. This thing's rod knocking bad.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian.